Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys me getting my lock extensions removed. As you guys can see, Courtney is just using scissors. So basically what she did was she just took some scissors and cut it off. If you've ever had lock extensions before, you know that the lock extension and your hair has a point where they both meet in the middle. And basically Courtney cut it underneath that attachment point. That way my real lock wouldn't be cut. And after she cut it, then she just took a crochet hook and she combed out the rest to get the rest of the lock extension that was mixed with my hair removed. And then my ends were basically cut. My ends were basically combed out. So you do have the option, if you get your lock extensions removed, to re-crochet your ends so they won't be out like mine's. But I wanted to have like little cute curly ends, so I let her keep them out. But you could just crochet the ends so they can be solid and have a blunt ending like regular locks do. So yeah, I know a lot of you guys are wondering why I cut my lock extensions, but I always plan to cut my lock extensions. I really enjoy my locks. If you've been following my journey, you know I started with instant locks and they were pretty short. They actually didn't even touch the top of my neck. They were very short, probably about 4 inches. And I just wasn't in the mood to deal with the ugly stage of locks. And since I knew there was a way out of dealing with the ugly stage, I just decided to get lock extensions, which was a great idea. I had a great journey. I had my natural locks, which were instant locked, for 6 months. I got them in June of 2018. And then January 2019 is when I got my lock extensions. So I had my own natural locks for 6 months on their own. Then I got lock extensions in January 2019, and I kept my lock extensions in for 2 years. So I just removed them, as you can see, in January 2021. So I had them for 2 years, and I've had my natural locks for 2.5 years. So this June coming up, I will have had my natural locks for 3 years. I'll have a 3-year lock journey. And I actually feel like I can actually celebrate. Like you guys can see, my hair has a lot of length on it. I'm super excited about my length. I actually was thinking about cutting my hair. I made a final decision to cut my lock extensions out in November of 2020, around Thanksgiving. I was just like, you know what? I want my own locks. I want to feel more free. But yeah, so I decided to remove them because I felt like my hair was long enough. And I feel like, as you guys can see, it's a really great length. My hair actually stops at my bra strap. And the only thing I have to get used to now that I don't have my lock extensions is that my hair is layered. When I got my lock extensions, I got them cut all even. So they were like great. But now that I have my natural hair, you know, natural hair grows in layers because it's top to bottom. So if it's all growing at the same rate, it's all going to fall differently. So that's one thing I have to get used to, but I really do love my hair. And another thing was, I really don't wash my hair myself. I don't deal with my locks myself a lot. And I felt like without having the lock extensions, I would deal with my own hair more than just having Courtney always do something to it, because I've had a fear with my lock extensions that if I was to wash my hair myself, they would just fall out and go down the drain. And if I ever colored my hair, I knew that like lock extensions are not permanent. Like they're permanent, but they're not attached to your head. Like there is a cutoff point where they start and they're connected. And I always feared that if I colored my hair, that color would damage the connection of the lock extension in my real hair. And then they would kind of like melt off from the damage. So that's why I never really color my hair. I don't see myself coloring my hair anytime soon. And maybe not even at all. I really like dark hair. I like the natural way it looks. I feel like hair is youthful looking, but you never know. Life goes and you change your mind, so we'll never know. But I feel like, personally, I just feel a lot more free with this. I feel like a lot more free to handle my own hair. And I'm excited. I feel like I have a new journey now, like another journey. And I feel like I'm going back in time because I get to have shorter locks again. So now I get to experiment with certain styles that I kind of missed the mark on because my hair just was too long. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. In the upcoming video, I will be also having my first retwist and style after removing my lock extensions. So stay tuned for that video. It might not be my very next video, but it's definitely coming up because we recorded it the same night. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys have lock extensions, I hope you guys get to a point where you get to remove yours as well, because it is a different mindset and I do feel amazing. And I feel like lock extensions don't have to be permanent. It's just something to get you through that ugly phase until you feel like you feel presentable to yourself, because the only thing that matters is what you think about yourself. Nothing that anybody else thinks about you matters. So I'm happy and I'm at a point where I'm ready to enjoy my natural locks. So I feel a lot free, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So thanks a lot, guys. I'm just going to let you watch me get the rest of them removed, and stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks a lot for checking out this video, guys.